3-2.
3-2. Ay, pasok pa rin sa playoff. Nasa midfield.
Oo. Wala naman malalaglag daw.
Ah, wala na.
Oo.
Naka-line up ka pa rin sa NFL ngayon. Hindi ka sumali. Friday na.
Ano eh, di
Sa
ka,
North.
sa point ko.
Nasa point.
Sa Friday di ko pa alam kung kung gano'n pa rin or parang by team.
Ay, hindi ko yan.
Wala pang message sa group chat.
Two points. Seven. Over the top. Number 8. Abroad. Good. Black ball. Seven. Number 77. 13. Yes. 4-3. Meron na press. Wala. Abroad, 2 points. Mendoza. Turnover. JD ball.
Ikaw na naglaro.
Substitution.
Sasali yan.
Hindi ako sinabihan, dito lang pala yung venue. Malapit lang ako dito, 5 minutes na ako dito eh.
Dati point ko.
Ang sabi kasi nila noon, sa play, tamad naman ako mag-drive.
Wala sa point three, lang yun. Ang una yun ang first game pero pinalitan sa naging point cook. 2 games lang sa point cook tapos dito na tuloy-tuloy kasi parang inaayos ang point doon sa point cook.
Rebound. Wala pa rin. Nakuha na number 88.
Kita ba't hindi ka sumali ng dito? Ligo.
Tumira ng tres. Wala.
Sa point cook, hindi ka
Number
sasali.
13. Number 13. Wala. Eto, pwede ka daw. Pwede ka pamalit. Pwede ka daw pamalit.
Kasama pala
Number
naman si
77.
Late na
sana.
Bis na ba eh, bis na. Abroad. Meron ng dress. Wala. "25 seconds remaining. Yes, 2 points by number 77. Abroad. 2, 1. End of the first quarter. First
Tuloy,
period.
tuloy, tuloy, tuloy. Hindi mo ginagawa. Lagi itong team nila, lagi itong ano.
Anong team mo?
First game, di pa naman alam. Siya yung nagpunta dito. Sa bahay, malapit lang. Kasi may last game pa kami.
After dito.
Last game, 7:30.
Sabi ka rin?
Start of the second period. Oh, pasok. Suka mo na. Oh!
Malalaki yung player nito.
Oo, ito yung malakas.
Palaging magkakampi ang mga yan.
Yes, points. 14-7. Yellow ball. Mendoza. Jump ball between number 77 and 24. Pasok ka na. Okay.
Laman mo ba, di ba?
88. 24. Ang ganda ng pasahan ng Banyero. 2 points by number 24. Power. Oy, hindi pumasok. Hindi pa ni Albert. Binasa kay number 99. 99. Euro. No good.
Oo. Ngayon lang na.
Number 24, foul. First team foul.
Matagal pa itong liga na.
February pa matatapos.
Yes. Counter.
Anong standing nila?
Ito? Baba yan. Wala kasi. Hindi naglalaro yun ito eh.
Sayang.
Nag-fishing ka na lang. Asan yung ibang player mo? Ha? Tulog kasi nag-overnight yun.
Second. Yes, counter. Score is 69. Yes. 2 points. By number
Samson!
1. Hoy! Malakas ang pasa ni Albert. Mayroong request. Number 13. Bumalik. Wala. Yes, points. Pag-iisa. Number 13. Wala pa rin. Wala. Rebound by number 13. Number 13. Pinasa sa kalaban. 18 to 11. 11 pull up. No good. Rebound by number 99. Foul by number 11. Substitution. Substitution. 24 in. 20 in. 11 out.
Ayusin niyo yung fast break niyo.
99. Kinaliwa.
Ganda ng tira ni Dil.
Foul by Albert. Number 21. First foul by Albert and first team foul. Number 8. Pinasa 77. Yes, 2 points by number 77. Yan, wala. Malakas. Rebound by number 30. Number 30, yes. Sebo. Number 6. Remaining time 3 minutes and 30 seconds in the second period. Out by number 99. First personal foul. Second team foul.
Imbis nagkakabol sila ng score din, nilagay na sure. Mga pass.
Daming open sila.
Number 1. Number 1. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni 77. 77. To number 13. Albert. Pinasa kay number 13. Number 13. Wala. 28. Numero ng 3. Malamig pa, malamig. Mendoza, foul by number 24. Second personal foul by number 24. Yes.
Wow, player nila.
Number 20. Malakas. 77. Simple. 19 seconds remaining. Wala nang oras. 10, 8, 7, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Sinong team yung malalakas pre?
Ha?
Sinong team yung malalakas?
Ito. Ito yung panyero matapos sa solid lang. Diyan pas point. Oo. Diyan pa siya bro.
Yung malaki.
Hello. Score 23-15 in favor of Pañero. Inbound by Borja. Samson. Pass JR. Number 1. Penetrate. Steal. By number 77. Pass to number 99. Layup. No good. Foul. Foul number 21. Foul Albert. Two personal foul. Albert. Second personal. Second team foul. Second personal foul. One team foul. 99 rebound the ball. Coast to coast. Layup. And one. By number 99. Who's foul? Foul number 20. 3-0. 2-0. First shot. Bonus shot, sorry. Rebounded by Alcantara. Borja dribbling the ball, looking for his teammates. 3-point shot by Borja. 3 points by Borja. Our score is 26-17 in favor of Pañero. Albert, pass to number 99. Layup, no good. Number 30, rebound. Take a shot, no good. Alcantara. Steal by number 77. 77. Harassing by Borja. Pass to Albert. Back to number 77. Kurt. Albert. Oh. Nice stop. Nice stop. Save ball. GD's ball. 99 inbounding the ball. Pass to number 77. Albert 3-point shot. No good. Alcantara. Layup. No good. Bora. Put in. Nice putback by Mr. Bora. 2 points. 77. Pass to Albert. Pass to number 99. 3-point shot. Tapos. No good. JR. Pass to Saxon. Back to Borja. 3-point shot by Borja. No good. Rebounded by Kurt. Dribbling by 99. Foul by number 1. Samson. 2 shots for number 99. Sub, breaks up. Who's it? First shot by number 99. No good. Last straw.
Alam ko yung mahulog.
Wala.
What can you say about the game?
Positioning.
Nice. Good observation.
Lalaban-laban pa.
Borja. Pass to number 6. 77. Dribble the ball. Layup. Basket by number 77. Borja. Pass to Samson. Number 1. Layup. Foul. Foul number 30. Pinag Foul number 30.
Mga bata.
No good. Number 8, pass to JR. No good. Rebounded by number 99. Number 13. Goes to the pass to Albert. Pass to number 77. Oh, service by number 77. Borja. Pressing by number 30. Borja. Straight. Foul. Foul number 30. How many foul? First personal foul, number 30, Kurt. 2 shots for Mr. Borja.
13 foul by JD Jules.
Naka-count out pa.
2 shots. First shot's good. Oh, miss on the second shot. Kurt, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 13. Oh, good. Rebound by 30. Foul by... Who's foul rep? First shot. Oh, lucky bounce. Last throw. Good again for Mr. Kirk, number 30. Bora on the dribble. Looking to pass. 3-point shot by number 11. No good. Rebounded by Abroad. 3-point shot again by number 11. No good again. Rebounded by number 30. Pass to number 99. 99. Looking for steal it. Pass to number 30. 13. No good. Abroad. Pass to Borja. Borja goes to bounce. Get up. No good. 88. Rebound the ball. Yes. The muscle man, number 88. 2 shots. 99. Foul on number 88. Side ball.
Second personal foul. And 13 foul.
Albert for 3-point shot. No good. Ebron for rebound.
Ayan na nga.
Oh, steal by number 99. 77. 3-point shot. No good. 13. Kirk. 77. 3 seconds. Violation. Our score is 32-22. 10-point lead by Pañero. Ano yan? Under 1 minute left. Third quarter. Steal by number Borja, number 88. Now Steve in. Pass to number 99. Layup. No good. Oh, no good. Borja. 2 points. Put back by Mr. Borja. 30, harassing by Borja. Oh, almost hit our video. 99. Yes! 2 points for number 99! No more time. Sorry. End of third period. End of the third quarter. We're heading to fourth quarter. Our score, 38-24. (38-24). Oh, back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. 14-point lead by Pañero, Mechanic, and Van Rentals. We will interview Mark. Ano masabi mo sa laro? Albert! Pass to number 77. Layup. Oh, nice! Albert. Put back. 13. Yes. 2 shots by number 13. No good. 99. Coast to coast. Pass to 77. Basket by number 77.
Ano? Mendoza.
Kaso,
Number 1. Layup. Oh, no good. Steal by number 77.
yung tira niya, walang
Oh,
score.
steal again. Back to back steal. Oh! Sorry, miss. Nice put back by number 1. Score 40-28. 99. Foul. Who's foul rep? 4.
So, bali yung quarterfinals pre, 1-8 gano'n. Yung lalaban.
24.
Hindi. Ano, 1-2, ay yung 1-2 parang yung
waiting.
1 waiting, yung 2-3 maglalaban.
Foul by number 24.
Tapos 4-5, 6-7.
Per shot. Basket number 99.
Parang yung 1-2, 1-2. Parang gano'n. Parang gano'n yata. Basta walang malalagyan.
Last throw.
Third personal foul na.
Basket again. Borja. Layup. Looking for teammates. Steal by number 13. 13. Pass to number 13. 13. Pass to number 13. You shoot one. Yes. By number 13. 2-point shot. By number 13. Only 8-point lead. Three-point shot by Alcantara. No good. Rebounded by number 30. Only 8-point lead by Pañero. 21. Dribbling the ball. Layup. No good. Rebounded by Borja. Borja. Pass to Alcantara. Pass to Samson. Pass again. 3 seconds. Too much passing. The ball.
7 minutes.
Under 7 minutes. The fourth quarter. Number 99, fourth quarter. Number 99, 3 points. No good. Rebounded by Kirk. Kirk. Put back. No good. Pass to Borja. Borja miss. Nice put back by Borja. Borja 2 points. Back to 10-point lead. Kirk. 3-point shot by Kirk. Off. Borja. Pass to Samson. Pass to Alcantara. No good. Pass to Albert. Pass to 77. 77.
Six minutes.
Mamon. Alam nila yun.
Pañeros ball.
Ba't lang sila?
Kasi mas mapapagod sila.
Hindi ba sila? Mayaman na sila. Di tuloy na susurbol yung tera nila.
Pass to Samson. Basket. Nice pass. By number 24. 13. Pass to 77. 77 to 99. 3-point shot. No good. Pañeros ball. Score 44-32. Under 5 minutes left of the fourth quarter. Thank you for our sponsor, Mighty Finance.
5 minutes.
Alcantara, 3-point shot. Bang! Alcantara, 3 points! Basket by number 77. Under 4 minutes of the fourth quarter, our score is 47-34. Boards. Oops, steal. Steal again. Steal again by number 99. 99. Pass to 77. Oh, no good. Sorry, miss. By 77. Alcantara. 3-point shot. No good. Oy! Sorry. Last touch, Panyero. Troy, number 13. Narrow again. Sorry, miss. Boards. Borja. No, nice. Nice back. Dribbling skills by Mr. Borja. 3-point shot. No good. Number 99. Looking to pass. Penetrating. Foul. Alcantara. Number 24. Alcantara. Foul.
Fourth personal foul by number 24.
2 team foul by Panyero. 0 foul. Alcantara, 4 foul ka na. First shot is good by number 99.
Ganyan talaga pag yung compliment.
3 minutes na lang po. After 3 minutes left of the ball game. Last throw, 99. No good. Alcantara, rebound the ball. Coast to coast. Basket by Mr. Alcantara. Albert. Pass to Kurt. Kurt, layup. Basket. Basket by Mr. Kurt. Number 1. Pass. Basket by Bustamante. Warning, warning. Layup by number 99, basket 99, 2 points. Number 1, George, taking his time, under 1 minute and 15 seconds for the last one. 3-point shot by Bustamante, back shot, 3 points by Bustamante! 54-40 in favor of Panyero. Number 13, 3-point shot, no good. Oh, nice save by Mr. Kurt. 3 points naman.
Yan
10,
yung
8,
mga tira nila.
3-point shot. One minute left of the fourth quarter. Oras. 50 seconds. No good. Dribbling the ball. 40 seconds left. 54-40 in favor of Panyero. 14-point lead. No good. 13. 3-point shot. No good again. 3-point shot. No good. Rebound by Kurt.
Taas yung talon.
Kurt, coast to coast.
Walang show,
No good.
Mahirap din kasi yung
15, wala na yan.
13, 12, 10, 9, 7, 5. Tuloy mo na, tuloy mo na. Wala na naman eh. Congratulations to Pañero Mechanics and Bad Rentals. Our best player is Rainier. Best player, Rainier. Rainier, saan ako papainom? Papainom. Congratulations, Camille. Congratulations. Anong masasabi mo sa
Well, the game was very intense. Thank you to the one.
mukhang lasing na ito mo siya. Ang best player po, mukhang lasing na. Hindi pa nagpapainom yan. Lasing na. Our next game is VIP Finance, sorry. Who's your team? Sino? Sino kalaban nila? Ito problema. Ito na. Wala ko na yung kumalit. Alam mo ito, Mark? Mag-video ako. Sino kalaban nila? Ano nga natin? Amy. Our next game, Open League, VIP versus Amy. Ay!
Ito lang yung video.